Do you want a clickable planner that people will love using and buyers happily review on Etsy? Today, I'm gonna show you step by step on how to build a hyperlink planner in Canva with a year calendar, weekly, and daily, and also the reflection page. This is a beginner-friendly, template-friendly, and yes, it can turn into a real income because digital planners sell every day. Let's make yours look like a pro and work like an app with taps and taps. So digital planners are exploding because they are portable, pretty, and practical. On marketplaces like Etsy, you'll see tons of beautiful designs and lots of reviews over there. And that's the proof that buyers are buying on a clickable planners because it's easy to navigate designs. And the best part, you can sell once, sell repeatedly, no shipping, and no inventory. You just simply or instantly download it. So in today's build, it's a perfect starter you can customize into a niche for fitness, budgeting, student's life, or even business. So here's the pro tip. You should name the pages in Canva. So linking is faster and less error prone. So let's head over to Canva. Create a design, choose US letter or A4 size. You can choose landscape or portrait. Then name your file 2026 Digital Planner Hyperlink. Create a quick style system for fonts, heading plus body. Make sure it is readable and clean. One primary, one accent, and one neutral. And lastly, elements, tabs, buttons, lines, and boxes. We will build 5 core pages, then duplicate as needed and link everything. Next is let's create a simple navigation bar that appears on every page. Then let's head over to text. Add labels from January to December. Put each label in a small rounded rectangle or keep them as simple text. Then after that, leave linking for later because we'll do all links in one pass. So here's the tip. Select all the whole bar, then position it, then lock it so it will not move. We'll copy this navigation bar to every page so users can jump everywhere in one tap later. Then let's create the year calendar page. Insert text and replace it with year. And then let's add a line beside the year. So we will not add the 2025 or 2026, just leave it blank so we can reuse it on the next few years. Next, let's create a clean layout with a grid of 12 months button from January to December. So let's head over to elements and then click square and simply copy it to make it more faster. Insert Monday to Sunday and at the top, insert the month. And for the left side, just insert week 1 to week 6. So this page becomes your home base. So later we'll link this page to the. So let's go to the weekly planner page. Add a new page. Then add the title as weekly planner. Let's add big boxes on the left side and insert Monday to Sunday. Then let's also add a smaller boxes on the right side for the notes or other reminders. Since we still have enough space for the bottom, let's add memo. Let's go now for every month at glance. So add a new page, then type text January at a glance. On the left side, we can add numbers and insert lines. Next, on the right side, we can add the priorities of the month and a checklist for to-dos of the month. And let's don't forget the notes. By the way, you can get this clickable planner at the link in the description. Next, let's add the daily planner. For this one, let's add today's priorities, today's focus, and to-do. And on the right side, let's also add the schedule, and we can also add the time. So we will always practice mindfulness in the present moment. And since we still have plenty of space left at the bottom, let's add a dedicated box for notes, ideas, and inspiration. A perfect spot to capture thoughts, sketches, or anything that sparks creativity. For the last page, let's create a monthly reflection. In this section, we'll include space to write about, along with prompts to rate or scale your health, well-being, or overall progress. So on the top, let's add circles and add numbers from 1 to 10. We'll also add a text like, overall, am I satisfied with how the month went, or why or why not? We can also include sections for lesson learned and top 3 priorities. This gives space to reflect on the key takeaways from the month and to set clear focus areas for the next one. Then just easily add action to start, action to continue, action to stop. And let's add bullets. To complete the monthly reflection page, let's also add a section for what's great about this month, an action plan for moving forward, and final monthly rating. To make it more creative and fun, we can use stars for the rating system. Once all the pages are set up, The next step is to duplicate them and update the text. For example, changing the month titles from January through December. This way, you'll have a complete planner ready for the entire year. Another important step is to set a clear page title for each section. This helps everything organized and reduce mistakes when linking the page later on. To create a clickable link, simply select the text, right-click, and choose Link. Then, enter the page or section you want it to connect to. Make sure the display mode is set to link. Repeat the process for all buttons in your navigation box until everything is fully connected. Once your link works, you can brand it, add covers, and export it. On marketplace like Etsy, clickable planners sell because they are easy to use and look premium. So start with this core set, then branch it into niche versions. Students, business, wellness, and finance. Bundles and matching sticker sets, leave perceived value and price. So if you want a clickable planner, just head over to our website. I'll put it here. There's a lots of designs that you can buy and customize right away. I'll also add the link on the description below so you can check there all the designs that are available and build your own creativity into income. So see you on the next video. Bye!